Welcome to Talk Arabic Fluently lessons. Today's lesson is about ما and كيف questions. The first lesson was about ما and the second lesson was about كيف. If you didn't watch it yet, make sure you watch it before you continue watching this lesson. And this lesson is about ما and كيف. We'll practice them in one conversation. Alright, so get started. So we have here Muhammad and Maryam. First, I will read and I will give you some time to repeat after me. Then we will practice this conversation together. Alright. مرحبا مرحبا كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير وكيف حالك؟ أنا جيدة. ما جنسيتك؟ أنا تركي. وما جنسيتك؟ أنا كندية. ما عملك؟ أنا محامية. وما عملك؟ أنا مهندس. كيف هو الجو هناك في تركيا؟ إنه بارد جدا. وكيف هو الجو هناك؟ إنه مشمس. كيف هي عائلتك؟ عائلتي جيدة. وكيف هي عائلتك؟ عائلتي بخير. Alright, very good. So now let's practice this conversation together. I will be Muhammad and you will be Maryam. So I will start the conversation, then you need to read Maryam's conversation too. مرحبا أنا بخير وكيف حالك؟ أنا تركي. وما جنسيتك؟ ما عملك؟ أنا مهندس. إنه بارد جدا. وكيف هو الجو هناك؟ كيف هي عائلتك؟ عائلتي بخير. Alright, very good. So this is how you need to practice these questions right here. You need to find someone to practice with first, then you practice the same as we did now. You read, for example, Mariam's conversation, and he reads Muhammad's conversation, and you keep practicing. The important thing is to keep practicing as much as you can and use anything you learn, use it in a conversation. So thank you for watching, and keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. And stay up to date, there are more lessons coming. We will be adding questions to these questions that we just practiced here. Alright, thank you, have a nice day.